Today I'm going to show you how I made a DIY wreath. It's very simple to put together, so go ahead and follow along with me. So obviously you're going to need a wreath. I purchased this from Joann's. And then I got these gold-plated little fig leaves, I guess, probably not called fig leaves, but they're gold-plated. Then I got some gold-plated acorns and some holly and some more acorns. And then I got these little birds, they clip on. I purchased these from the dollar store. And some more gold-plated acorns and a bigger leaf, some more holly. I picked up these little jingle bell garlands. I thought they would be cute to wrap around. Then I got these from the dollar store, these gold ornaments. Some more gold-plated acorns. Some wire cutters. I got these from the dollar store. And some floral wire as well. This will help us put our wreath together. Then you're going to need some scissors. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you want to do, go ahead and cut off that price tag. And once you flip it, you want to go ahead and just spread the wreath apart so it's not all flat. You want to fluff it up. Next, you want to go ahead and take out those ornaments. Once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and open up the floral wire because we're going to be using it. Once you've got your floral wire all untangled and ready to go, you're going to go ahead and string three ornaments together. Once you do that, then use your wire cutters to clip the wire. Leave some space so that you can wrap it around your wreath, and you want to go ahead and do that, I mean really as many times as you want. I did it 4 times because there were 12 ornaments. What you want to do next is go ahead and wrap your ornaments around your wreath wherever you would like to place them. Once you've placed your ornaments where you would like them to be placed, I used the Jingle Bell Garland next. Just unwrap it, secured it around the wreath, and then just loosely wrap it around the entire thing. Then I used the gold ones and kind of just followed the same pattern that I did with the red one. You can place them wherever you like. There is no science to this, and it's really your personal choice. What I did next was, since these were bunches, I clipped them all together to separate them. These were already separate, and really I was just trying to get an idea of where and how I was going to place them together. I tried wrapping the wire around and decided that that was not going to be the move, and I just stuck them inside the wreath and they just stayed inside. And you just want to clip them to your desired length, and really you just place them wherever you'd like. Whatever pattern you'd like to follow. Try to be careful with the bottom ones. You don't want them to show through the bottom of your wreath, so just be mindful of that. And really, that is all that it takes to make this DIY wreath. You just place your greenery wherever you'd like, and just put your own personal touches to it. Next, I used the little birdies that I got from the Dollar Tree. These just clip right on, and you can just put them wherever you'd like. I thought they would be cute, and followed the gold and red theme that I had going on my wreath. And then I took his little friend and just put it right next to him. So at this point, I decided that my wreath needed bows. So I took some ribbon. This has wire in it, and I just kind of twisted loops around and then tied it using the same bow, and I'm going to place that on my wreath. Here I ran out, so then I decided that I was only going to use the gold ribbon to make a larger bow for the top. So you just kind of loop it and hold it together. I'm sorry that this is not the best explanation. I went on YouTube to try to figure out how to make a bow, and I kind of just made it my own. Then you hold it all together, you cinch it. I used the floral wire to hold it together. Twisted the wire around, fluffed it up, and ta-da! So I used the same color wire, ribbon, excuse me. I used the same color ribbon to tie it around the wreath, and then I just fluffed up my bows, and I did the same thing on the other side. And I did the same technique with the larger bow. I wrapped around the same color ribbon on it and just wrapped it around the wreath. And there you have it, folks. That is my DIY wreath. Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you really enjoyed my video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, this is Johanna at SoVeryJo.com.